When looking at the cost of Questrade Plus, the standard subscription price is $19.99 per month plus applicable taxes. However, depending on your account activity or specific promotional windows, there are important pricing details to keep in mind. Questrade periodically offers promotional periods where the Plus subscription is available for free to users. Additionally, if you qualify for higher tier status such as Questrade Reserve benefits, the Questrade Plus subscription is included at no extra charge. Subscribing to Questrade Plus unlocks several advanced features designed for active traders and investors. These benefits include cashback on eligible U.S. equity options contracts, a 1% match on RRSP contributions up to your annual CRA limit, unlimited free currency journaling to avoid standard conversion fees, and free access to advanced streaming market data packages that would otherwise incur separate monthly charges. If you already pay for the advanced streaming package separately, Questrade applies a credit discount toward your Plus membership cost. Reviewing your monthly trading volume and account perks can help determine if the features included in the Plus subscription provide enough value to outweigh the monthly fee for your specific investment strategy. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.